Hi and welcome back to the Podiatrist TV. In this episode I want to talk to you about our technology that we have here at the Podiatrist. We've got an ongoing commitment to always investing in world-class technology and bringing that world-class to Toowoomba. At the moment we have what we call our Pod Pro suite. Now, part of the Pod Pro suite is our Zebras treadmill. This is no ordinary treadmill. This of course has the visual 2-camera, high-speed cameras that you see in a lot of clinical settings, but also brings force and pressure data together to allow us to really unearth what's going on when people stand, walk and run. Now, this sort of technology you don't find in clinical practices. Generally, you'd have to go to the AIS, the New South Wales Institute of Sport has one, and I know QUT, where I studied, also has one as well. So to actually have this in private practice is awesome. It allows us to have some great investigations with our patients to get the root of the cause and give them optimal outcomes. Second of all is our Orthema orthotic manufacturing system. Again, this is German Swiss engineering at its finest. At the time it was over $100,000 investment, but it has absolutely changed the way we do things. Among the many benefits of the Orthema system is how quick we can actually turn around and dispense a pair of orthotics. Now, we can do this in less than 90 minutes. When I first started working up here at the Podiatrist and many clinics that I still see today, where plaster casts are taken, or even if a 3D image is taken with a scanner or an iPad, it can be a week to 2 weeks to get these orthotics back, which means multiple visits. And because they're often manufactured off-site, there's a margin of error, which quite often means there needs to be quite a bit of adjustment post-fitting. Now, here at the Podiatrist with the Orthema, we can fit these in less than 90 minutes, and because we control the process, what we ask for is what we get. So you get a very comfortable orthotic that needs minimal amounts of adjusting, and that's been a huge benefit for us, but certainly for our patients. The third piece of technology that we love around here is our Lunula laser. Yeah, we've got a laser. Now, the reason I pursue this, and I've been looking at this sort of technology for some time, because fungal nails, 1.6 million Australians suffer with fungal nails. And to date, we've been very limited in the options that we've been able to offer our patients. First of all, there's a lot of paints and drops you can put on nails that had very limited effects, less than 10% the literature suggests. And that's assuming that people are really diligent and have applied these morning and night, which often did not happen. The second option in this space was to take an oral medication. Now, one of the side effects was actually liver damage. So we're a bit hesitant to go down this road, and generally success rates were somewhere around that 40%, which still wasn't that high to justify many possible side effects. So then we came to laser, and there's quite a few lasers out there, and traditionally it's been the hot laser. The reason I tend to balk at that previously was it took quite a long time, and it was quite uncomfortable being a hot laser. So patients had quite a bit of pain, and also while the outcomes were much better than with the oral or the topical options, it still wasn't something like, oh, that's what I want my patients to have. Then we came across the Lunula laser. Now, research suggests it's anywhere between 80 to 85% success rate, which is huge for fungal nails. And so what this is a combination cold laser. There's no pain, and it's done in 12 minutes. So we've had this now for a few months, and it's going incredibly well. So it's another example of our technology that we've invested here at the Podiatrist. So that rounds out our Pod Pro suite. We've got the Zebras treadmill, the Orthema orthotic manufacturing system, and the Lunula laser. Just an example of our ongoing commitment to bring world-class to Toowoomba and help our patients realise their potential. Hopefully you found that interesting, and thanks for watching.